Hello, design enthusiasts. Welcome to Interior Decor Designs, your ultimate destination for innovative and inspiring home decor ideas. Today, we delve into the sophisticated realm of men's custom home office design inspiration. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. In an era where remote work has become increasingly prevalent, the significance of a well-designed workspace cannot be overstated. A man's home office should be more than just a functional area. It should be a reflection of his professional identity, a hub of productivity, and a sanctuary of focused work. This video will explore the nuances of creating such a space, providing you with 15 distinct design ideas to inspire your own personalized office. A man's custom home office design transcends mere aesthetic appeal. It embodies a tailored approach to creating a workspace that aligns with an individual's specific needs, preferences, and professional requirements. It's about crafting an environment that fosters concentration, efficiency, and personal expression. This involves meticulous consideration of layout, furniture selection, lighting, technology integration, and overall ambience. A custom design acknowledges that each man's work style and professional demands are unique, therefore necessitating a bespoke solution. It is about creating a space that not only facilitates work, but also enhances the overall work experience. The importance of specifically decorating a man's custom home office design stems from the profound impact environment has on productivity and well-being. A well-designed office can significantly reduce distractions, improve focus, and enhance motivation. By tailoring the space to individual preferences, we create an environment that feels personal and inspiring. This fosters a sense of ownership and pride, leading to increased job satisfaction and efficiency. Furthermore, a custom design allows for the integration of ergonomic solutions, which are crucial for long-term health and comfort. Investing in a personalized workspace is an investment in one's professional success and overall quality of life. And finally, for the conclusion, let's explore the 15 man's custom home office design ideas to inspire and spark your imagination. 1. The Executive Suite. This design emphasizes grandeur and professionalism. Incorporate a large, solid wood executive desk with ample surface area. Opt for a high-back leather executive chair for superior comfort and support. Install built-in bookshelves to house professional literature and decorative items. Choose rich, dark wood finishes and deep, sophisticated colors like navy or burgundy. This design projects authority and confidence. 2. The Minimalist Modern Office. Focus on clean lines and uncluttered surfaces. Select a sleek, minimalist desk with a metal or glass top. Use a mesh ergonomic chair for comfort and breathability. Opt for a neutral color palette of grays, whites, and blacks. Incorporate hidden storage solutions to maintain a streamlined appearance. This design promotes focus and clarity. 3. The Industrial Loft Office. Infuse raw, industrial elements into your workspace. Utilize exposed brick walls or concrete finishes. Choose a metal and wood desk with a distressed finish. Incorporate vintage industrial lighting fixtures. Select a leather or metal chair with a rugged aesthetic. This design is robust and visually striking. 4. The Tech-Forward Command Center. Integrate advanced technology seamlessly. Utilize a multi-monitor setup with a high-performance computer. Install a smart lighting system and automated blinds. Incorporate a high-quality sound system for immersive audio. Select an ergonomic keyboard and mouse for extended use. This design maximizes efficiency and technological integration. 5. The Natural Sanctuary Office. Bring the outdoors in with natural elements. Incorporate live plants, such as succulents or snake plants, to improve air quality. Choose a wooden desk and shelving made from sustainable materials. Utilize natural light as much as possible. Select earthy tones and natural textures. This design promotes tranquility and well-being. 6. The Gentleman's Study. Create a classic, refined atmosphere. Utilize a mahogany desk with a leather inlay. Incorporate a Chesterfield leather armchair for reading and relaxation. Install a vintage globe or antique desk lamp. Choose rich, warm colors like deep greens or browns. This design evokes a sense of timeless elegance. 7. The Creative Hub. Foster creativity with an inspiring environment. Incorporate a large whiteboard or corkboard for brainstorming. Choose a vibrant color palette with pops of color. Select a comfortable lounge chair or beanbag for relaxation. Utilize adjustable shelving to display art and creative materials. This design encourages innovation and artistic expression. 8. The compact efficiency office. Maximize space in a small room. Utilize a wall-mounted desk or a fold-down desk. Incorporate vertical storage solutions, such as wall shelves or pegboards. Choose a compact ergonomic chair. Select a light color palette to create a sense of spaciousness. This design optimizes functionality in limited spaces. 9. The musician studio office. Tailor the space for music production. Incorporate soundproofing materials to minimize noise. Select a high-quality audio interface and studio monitors. Utilize a MIDI keyboard in music production software. Choose a comfortable studio chair. This design is optimized for musical creativity. 10. The gamer's den office. Combine work and play with a gaming-inspired design. Utilize a large, curved gaming monitor. Incorporate RGB lighting and a gaming chair. Select a high-performance gaming PC. Choose a dark color palette with neon accents. This design is dynamic and engaging. 11. The travel-inspired office. Incorporate elements from favorite travel destinations. Display maps, travel photos, and souvenirs. Choose furniture and decor that reflect a specific travel theme. Utilize a globe or world map as a focal point. Select colors and textures that evoke a sense of adventure. This design inspires wanderlust and creativity. 12. The sports enthusiast office. Showcase sports memorabilia and team colors. Display framed jerseys, autographed balls, and trophies. Choose furniture and decor that reflect a favorite sport. Utilize a large TV for watching games. Select a comfortable sports-themed chair. This design celebrates athletic passion. 13. The writer's retreat office. Create a quiet, focused space for writing. Utilize a comfortable writing desk with ample surface area. Incorporate a reading lamp and a comfortable armchair. Select a minimalist design with minimal distractions. Choose a calming color palette. This design fosters concentration and creativity. 14. The art collector's office. Display art and sculptures prominently. Utilize gallery lighting to highlight artwork. Choose furniture and decor that complement the art collection. Select a neutral color palette to allow the art to stand out. This design showcases artistic taste and sophistication. 15. The hybrid standing desk office. Integrate a standing desk for ergonomic flexibility. Select an adjustable standing desk with a motorized lift. Incorporate an anti-fatigue mat for comfort. Choose an ergonomic chair that complements the standing desk. Utilize a monitor arm for optimal screen positioning. This design promotes health and productivity. Creating a custom home office that reflects your personal style and professional needs is an investment in your productivity and well-being. By incorporating these 15 design ideas, you can transform your workspace into a hub of inspiration and efficiency. Remember, your home office should be a place where you feel motivated and comfortable, allowing you to achieve your best work. If you found these design ideas helpful, please like and subscribe to Interior Decor Designs for more expert tips and inspiration on home decor and design. Leave a comment below and let us know which design idea resonated with you the most. Thank you for watching.